Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Alesia and I'm here to say my inaugural video is going to be sort of a semi time-lapse of a sort of some paintings that I'm working on. So this one is going to be fall trees. And I'll just put myself on video for a second. I've had a really rough week. I took a personal day today. It's pretty rare. It's maybe like once a year that I need like a day to myself. But I do work in customer service, so it can get very tiring. I decided to use the time to paint pictures because I didn't work today. So I will update as I progress with this one. Kind of wish I had done it with my Northern Lights one, because that one turned out pretty okay, by my standards, which are lax. But yeah, oh god, there's paint on my face. Oh no. Messy. So one thing you might want to invest in if you're going to do much acrylic painting is retarder. So basically, this is an additive for slowing the drying time. So this is the point in any painting where you start to add like a little more yellow. And it's also the point where you start to ask yourself why you have no talent. I'm kidding, of course. We're doing this for fun. This is fun. This is fun. Okay, so Bob Ross will probably tell you that you should work in layers from back to front for a painting of this kind. Bob Ross would also be using oil paints, but some of us only have acrylic paints and we're poor. So I am, let me just flip her around here. Actually gonna work from the front to the back. As my paintbrush gets a little more muddied, as you can see, I take good care of my things. As my paintbrush gets a little bit more muddied, the colors in the back are going to be a little bit more fadey, see? And you're going to see a little bit less of the yellow, and it's going to look a little more foggy and green. Now, if you like painting, you're going to want to make sure that you have plenty of light. Unfortunately, the sun is going down, and we haven't been outside the entire time. Now, if you're following along at this point and you want to go ahead and do the next part, just take whatever brush you're using and literally just like the other end of it and make some sticks. You want some fucking sticks in here. Stick, 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 stick. You want some sticks. Stick, 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 stick. Stick, stick. And you want to do less. No. More sticks as you go back. You know, as far as I'm concerned, painting is really just about painting your happy place. People are gonna think you spent days on this. They're gonna think you spent a year fucking it up. So then, in order to repair what you've just done, you want to get a little bit of your brown, your crimson brown. I'll just go back in with that. Okay? You just want to cover those little areas you just made with your paintbrush. Back up. Then you want to go back in with your sticky. Stick it to the man. Remember, it's never too late to repair the mistakes that you've made. People are going to think you labored over this. And really, you just are taking your anger out on the canvas the whole time. Yeah, I mean, okay, so wait. We're going to get a little bit more yellow. We're going to just like make those treetops trees again. We're just gonna make them trees again. There's some trees over here. You can use yellow, you can use orange. If you were not doing a fall scene, perhaps green. I decided to do a blue background because then that is going to lend a little bit of green once you put your yellows in there. And a little bit of purple once you put your orange in there. Not like purple though. Let's just dip the other end of my brush in some paint. I take good care of my things. This is just my process. This is just my artistic process. I would be, basically this is exactly how I paint. So yeah, this should be easy to follow along. And you know, you can paint like this too. And that's why I'm making the video, because I just want everyone to know how just very easy it is to pick up this method. And just have good results on the first try, you know? All right, so I feel content with the background. So I'm gonna work on the foreground. I decided to just sort of impression in the shape of a green barn. And we're gonna get more detailed as we work closer into the foreground. But don't let me tell you what to do in your painting, because this is literally the only thing you have control over in your entire life. So at this point, if you're looking at your barn and thinking, that's not what a barn looks like, damn. It would be a good time to just go ahead and Google pictures of barns.